Hello everyone, it's Chanel here from Angelic Interior Designs, and today I have another video on another renovation that has been going on. It is a hallway redo, changing out the baseboards, adding crown molding, and also adding an extended wide trim to all the doorways in the entire hallway, plus repainting it again. Yes, again. I think it is wise to continue to refresh your home every 3 to 5 years with paint. It just gives it a fresh new look. And as you can see here, we are doing all the contracting work here. I am doing all the painting. I painted all the trim work as he did all the cutting and applying it to the walls and to the ceilings and etc. But yeah, you can do this yourself. You really can. And if you keep watching, you'll see how I reached all those high places. Now, of course, on some of these renovations, I wouldn't recommend it if it's like sometimes your first time trying it, because you do want to present your home still as, a nicely well done home as well, like some painting, some trim work, and also reaching in those high places, as you will see here, like going up second stories. You want to be very, very cautious and careful. I'm not going to say I recommend this to be done by every and anyone, because you have to really, really, really be careful. You have to remember, in time you may decide that you want to sell your home, so you want it to be very attractive to yourself, but also to the next person if you decide down the line that you do want to sell your home. So you want all of your finished works to be as expertly done as possible. Reason being is because when you go to possibly resell, the look may not look as appeasing to the next person who comes in, and you don't want them to look at your home, possibly their home that may be upcoming, as a DIY project or a fixer-upper. So you want to be and take very much caution when you are doing your DIYs on your home. So remember, your aim is to add value, not to devalue your property with your projects. So again, I just want to say thank you for joining me. This has been Chanel here from Angelic Interior Designs, and just giving you an example of a few changes that can be done in your home by yourself as a do-it-yourself project, or by possibly, if needed, hiring a contractor. Again, it adds beauty to your home as well as value. Thanks for watching.